Now, había, again, meaning there was or there were, is in the imperfect tense. So we're going to use it to describe things that were happening in the past, to describe the scenery, like we said, to describe things that habitually occurred, and that kind of thing. Había mucha gente en el parque. There were a lot of people in the park. So, when you say this, you're talking about a past event, yes, but you probably couldn't put a specific time on that. Hey, maybe there are still a lot of people in the park. You're simply describing the situation as you saw it when you happened to be in the park. Siempre había pan en la mesa. There was always bread on the table. So now we're talking about something that habitually occurred. Maybe you're describing your upbringing and how your parents worked really hard to provide for the family, and as a result of that, siempre había pan en la mesa.